Beautiful.
Unpredictable.
Big white.
Sparkling.
Vast.
Adventurous.
An archive of what has gone on all around the world. I think this is an important project because it links the emotional background, the relatedness of the climate, and engenders an environment in which people can learn more.
As scientists, we are gathering unimaginable amounts of data, and how to think about and visualize and interact with that data is just critically important. I think it's important for people of all walks of life to interact with scientists and with data.
We can see the ice grow, we can see the ice shrink, and that's our best signal and our clearest way to understand how the biosphere, how the world, how the environment, and how our relationship with nature is being fundamentally changed.
This isn't just a problem for the Arctic. This is a global problem. It's to develop a connection, not just intellectually, but emotionally as well. We as a society have to have some understanding of the ice cover.
For somebody to actually engage with data, to actually care about what's happening with the world from a scientific point of view, they won't have to become a scientist. I've seen some incredible projects that visualize data. What I'm proposing is different than that. What I'm proposing is to bring that data in, but not geared toward hitting a rational mind, hitting the body, hitting the emotional mind instead. The images I'm going to show here are for concept only. We'll be using handheld devices primarily as a way for people to get into the project, though we'll also produce a large-scale projection. They'll make great sensors. And what will we track? Well, there's a lot of things that we can keep track of through these devices. Now, what will we build with what we track? We will be able to create patterns, colors, sounds. First of all, a person will be able to follow how they're being tracked, whatever their impact is on the space. They'll be able to see color, sound, pattern for what they are doing. They'll also be able to enter here on a sliding scale how they feel personally. Scalability is important here. They're going to be able to scale all the way out to a global perspective. Next, we'll have an ice layer, and that's where we follow the global ice movements, both in real time and from databases. It's important that the interaction of these events be beautiful. They should be engaging, they should be musical. Next, we'll pass the entire piece through an emotive translator. The purpose of this step is to tune the piece in order to be able to train the human response system. We'll be remixing the Earth's voice as it's seen through the data that we acquire, and we'll be layering that in with our own voice as seen through the object tracking and through the information that we enter into the project and through the history of both within the project. A write-up of our specific methodology is available for this step separately. I hope you'll join us.
People.
Ice.
Go EMOTODROME!